First, identify yourself.
Andrew Swaby, Mayor of Kingston.
Tell me the purpose of this tour here.
Well, I've always said that we are going to take a multi-agency approach to look at some of the issues and the challenges downtown. We're here with National Solid Waste Management Authority, the Tax Administration of Jamaica, the Kingston St. Andrew Public Health Department, the Fire Brigade, and our own compliance team, and the JCF also is here with us. What we are doing we are going to these small businesses, we are seeing if they are compliant with their trade licenses, and I must say that we are on Orange Street today, and 68% of them are compliant in that regard, and there is a 32% that we have to target to make sure they have become compliant. The National Solid Waste Management Authority have gone in also to check on if they have a valid contract with a reputable service provider to move their garbage away. And we have seen that some are and some are not doing it. The commercial aspect of the National Solid Waste Management Authority have been engaged in talking to them to make sure that they enter into a contract with National Solid Waste Management Authority, because you must remember that the National Solid Waste Management Authority primary responsibility is to take away domestic garbage. So these are commercial garbage, because it's unfair for them to put out their garbage on the road to make sure they hold up the National Solid Waste Management Authority time in terms of cleaning their garbage when they could be in the communities cleaning up the garbage for the residents who their primary focus is to clean. We have also looked where the Fire Brigade have checked on their safety of the workers and of the customers also, and they have identified some challenges, and what they have said, they have outlined the challenge to them, making sure that they have fire extinguishers, some simple things that they are making. And the Public Health Department has looked at have portable water and make sure their bathrooms are flushing and those things. And also where we have gone into food establishment, making sure that they have their food handlers permit.
I'm sure this will not be a 9-day wonder.
It's not a 9-day, it can't be a 9-day wonder. We have the sustainable thing. We are on the road, we won't be telling persons when they are coming, because our experience has been is that sometimes these managers, they don't make themselves available to talk to us. So we'll be here for more than 1 day or 2 days per week. We are concentrating on downtown now, but we are going right across Kingston St. Andrew.
You notice that you have faced some language barriers while doing your tour. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we have faced some language barriers, and I am a bit perturbed about that, because some of the time you'll be talking to them, and when they realize what you come about, all of a sudden they don't speak the language. I myself have already gone and have a discussion with the Chinese ambassador to sensitize him some months ago that this is what we are going on, so we are not discriminating. We are going to all establishments to make sure that these persons are compliant.
Finally, the 32% that is non-compliant, what's the approach you'll be taking?
Well, the ones that will be having a continuous drive, but also what we have done, the persons from TAJ and from our own compliance department have served a notice on them, and we are coming back within a reasonable time to make sure that they make the wrongs right.
How many notices that you would have served here today?
Well, I can't indicate right now how many notices we have done. We'll be doing a debriefing afterward, because what we have done, we have split up the team, about 4 teams out there, so I wouldn't have that information right on me just now.